Good morning, students. Today in this video we are going to complete chapter 5th, and here it is the last topic of the chapter, which is impact of taste and preferences on demand. We have discussed the other determinants, how the price of related goods, how the income of consumer, they have affected the demand. And the last topic is taste and preferences. When we are talking about taste and preferences uh, in demand, taste and preferences are affected by three factors. First is individuals' likes and dislikes, trends and fashions, and climatic condition. If you want to buy more or less of any commodity, why? Because it depends on your likes and dislikes कि अगर कोई चीज़ आपको पसंद है तो you will purchase more of it, और कोई चीज़ अगर आप डिसलाइक करते हो तो यू विल परचेज लेस ऑफ इट. तो पहला तो है इंडिविजुअल्स लाइक्स एंड डिसलाइक्स, एंड सेकेंड इज़ ट्रेंड्स एंड फैशंस. अगर कोई चीज़ ट्रेंड में है, फैशन में है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम ये सोचेंगे कि हम उस चीज़ को ज़्यादा ख़रीदेंगे और उस चीज़ में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट रखेंगे. एंड थर्ड वन इज़ क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस. Climatic conditions also affect the demand of a commodity. Like in winter season, we consume more tea and coffee, and in summer season we consume cold drink or ice cream. In winter season we wear woolen clothes, the demand of woolen clothes increases, and for in summer season the demand for cotton clothes increases. So these three factors are there which affects the demand due to for taste and preferences. Now, favorable and unfavorable in taste and preferences. If taste and preferences are in favorable change, यानी अगर हमारा taste और preferences बढ़ रहा है, that induces the buyer to buy more of a commodity even when its price continues to be the same. अगर उसका price उतना ही है लेकिन taste and preferences हमारा change हो गया, तो हम उस चीज़ को ज़्यादा कंज्यूम करेंगे. ये सिचुएशन है इंक्रीज़ इन डिमांड की. दैट मीन्स योर डिमांड इज़ फॉरवर्ड शिफ्ट, यानी दैट शिफ्ट फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट. एंड ऑन द अदर हैंड, इफ़ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अनफेवरेबल चेंज in taste and preferences, for that we consume less of a commodity, and if we are consuming less of a commodity, this is the situation of decrease in demand, or we can say it as the backward shift. Now see figure on the next page, which illustrates that a favorable change in taste and preferences causes a forward shift in demand curve from D1 to D2, or we can say it as from A to B. Now see in the figure, here we are seeing favorable change. Favorable change is when when the demand curve shifts from A to B, forward shift in demand curve, or we can say it as increase in demand. And when it moves from A to C, that is unfavorable change. Unfavorable change में the demand curve shifts from D1 to D3, that is from A to C. So this is here the last topic. We have completed the chapter. The topics or the remaining problems we are going to discuss in Zoom class. Thank you so much.